Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about hair color for girls. Choosing a hair color can be so much fun. There are tons of options like blonde, brunette, red, black, or even funky colors like pink or blue. What are you thinking of trying? Absolutely, if you're looking for trendy options, how about considering a beige or ombre effect? They give a nice gradient look and can be customized to suit your style. Pastel colors like lavender or rose gold are also super popular right now. What do you think of these ideas? For low maintenance hair colors, you might want to consider shades that are closer to your natural color or go for a root smudge technique to blend regrowth. Another option is highlights or baby lights as they grow out more subtly. These choices can help you rock a stylish look with less upkeep. So viewers, let's end the video here. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.